I have a question. I want to expand the outdoor living space in my yard, but don't like pavers. What do I have for another option?
One thing that we've actually been trialing out here at the Landscape Arboretum is to incorporate some new technology to try to get the functional benefits of turfgrass areas, which would be something to withstand foot traffic, that can allow for water infiltration, can collect dust, reduce sound, and also have that radiative cooling effect from a lawn, and incorporate that into a patio system. So one thing that we're actually trialing out is using these interlocking pavers that we installed before seeding this living patio here at the farm at the Landscape Arboretum. One reason why we're doing that is to try to reduce the effects of compaction over time. And so normally in a normal lawn, you might have to deal with aerification to relieve that soil compaction, and that can work, but these pavers are designed to reduce that even less to allow for the turf stand to withstand even more traffic. Say people enjoying themselves on an evening on their patio. And so these pavers allow for our weight to be distributed across the section of the paver and not on the lawn itself. We get to benefit from all of those functional benefits of turf that I had mentioned before, and also have a green living space for us to enjoy. When we were constructing this, we did not use any paver or crushed rock or anything. We just used the native soil, installed that. At the same time we were installing the pavers, we just added the soil, spread the seed over the surface, and then covered it with a germination and erosion control blanket just to hold the seed in place while the living patio was growing in and installing. By incorporating this technology in the turf grasses that are lower input, we can incorporate living plants around the areas that we're using them and still benefit from those functional aspects of those plants and still have a functional living patio.
Ask the Arboretum Experts has been brought to you by the Minnesota Landscape Arboretum in Chaska, dedicated to welcoming, informing, and inspiring all through outstanding displays, protected natural areas, horticultural research, and education.